Hundreds of protesters rallied in Linden, Region 10 on Wednesday to push back against the government of Guyana's COVID-19 gazetted measures, part of which mandates COVID-19 vaccines for all government employees, especially by those in the healthcare system. Exactly 2 weeks ago, doctors, nurses, administrative staff and other unvaccinated staff of the Linden Hospital complex were prevented from entering their place of employment. That resulted in protest action and ultimately forced the Health Ministry to give healthcare workers and public transportation operators until today, August 25, to be vaccinated against COVID-19. At the forefront of the protest was Apostle Nigel London.
This is not an ethnic occasion. This is a people occasion, where persons of every ethnicity is affected by a decision. And it has to be reversed, because we do not stand for it.
As the government fights to contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus, their policy is clear that only vaccinated persons would be allowed to enter any government ministry or agency, and the unvaccinated would have to make appointments. Apostle London fired up the crowd as he chanted no to forced vaccination.
That the president may view this, that the minister of health may view this, and they can reconsider. Even the minister of education can view this and consider that the teachers who served faithfully, the nurses who served faithfully, the taxi drivers who served, the police officers, the frontline workers who served faithfully deserve to be respected.
The protesters, some of who are employees of the healthcare system, said they're fighting for medical liberty, even though the Ministry of Health says the decision not to allow unvaccinated persons to work is about safety.
If anything is so good, why you have to force me to take it?
According to the protesters, the denial of basic services, including the right to access basic medical services, is aimed at forcing Guyanese, and especially Lindeners, to take the COVID-19 jabs.
But if you're going to keep changing your story about a vaccine, I don't want it. It began with the vaccine being able to prevent COVID infection. It changed to the vaccine being able to keep me out of hospital if I get infected.
Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.